What's up, guys? Get ready because I am making a bold statement. I said if you do not own any Dodge, I believe that is a big mistake. It was trading at 1366. I'm going to change big to huge because I'm a big believer in Dogecoin. If you've been following the channel, I'll give you my reasons why. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you why I believe in it even more and give you some facts that you just cannot not look at. To be honest with you, this is just my own opinion, though. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, but let's get right into it. And at the very end, I'm going to show you a crypto that's under $100 million market cap, guys. 100 million, actually, it's like at 80 million. If that goes to a billion, that's like a 12 or 14x on investment. So we're going to break that down, the tokenomics and the chart setup, and why I bought that very recently. Let's get into Doge, though. So with Dogecoin, I think it looks absolutely amazing. We want to talk about the MACD cross real quick. Let me make this bigger. So recently we had a MACD cross September 16th, 2024. You can see right here, very bullish. Okay. We ended up buying at 10.4 right in this area. We saw this happening on a weekly time frame. It got very close. The MACD got really close, kind of like what it's done recently also here before it spikes. And then what happened? It spiked. Now, I'm still bullish on Dogecoin, even though it's already been 5 weeks of an uptrend because we have not touched the yellow Keltner line yet like we have before. Also, the RSI is still in the middle. It's at 54. It is not overbought like it has been at these peaks right here, right? I mean, this got over 73. This was a good indicator to tell you to start taking profits in this area, right? Especially with this lower wick or this lower candle right here. And then it just completely crashed down. Tested the 21 EMA again. So this one, could that happen? Could we come back down to the 21 EMA? Sure. Do I think we're going to yet? No. I would wait till we get a lot closer to the Keltner line and test resistance at least in the 17 to 18 cent range. Then we could see some pullbacks, of course. But ultimately, if you're more of like a buy and hold like myself and like everyone pretty much in my Patreon, and that's why we got 80% gains on CIFR literally yesterday. Check the links out down below. Make sure you join, invest in yourself, join our community. It's absolutely amazing. And if you pay for the whole year, you get 12% off. You could get in to the Discord, the Patreon, all the posts for less than $106 for the next 12 months. And you're in. Okay. So with Dogecoin, the next area I'm really looking for is 32 cent. This is the 382 level based off Fibonacci. And we've talked about this, right? So pretty straightforward, not a whole lot of new information. Right now, crypto is experiencing a little pullback. I guess you can kind of look at the Keltner lines right here and see, let me pull this up, that the middle Keltner line is right down here, about 13 cents, but Dogecoin has been holding this area very strong. Maybe we test this area. I have these white lines down here. These are my buy zones. If Dogecoin ever comes down to these lines, that means I buy more. Okay. If it doesn't, I'm good. My bags are packed. It is all good. But my worst case scenario for a pullback would be about 1181. This is based off Fibonacci from the all-time low. Bring it to the high. And these are my next buy areas. So we got 1180, 1246, and 1332. Okay. So that's really where we're at, guys. With the last MACD cross, it went on a massive run. This MACD cross, let's see what happens. We're building new legs of support, higher highs and lower highs. So it's a good sign. I would rather have slow, consistent moves higher every single week than even these massive green candles and then just a massive sell-off. I don't want that. I don't think that will happen this cycle. I think it will be more stable. You might not get the 30, 40x returns on investments, but you're going to get consistent growth. And I do think that's going to be the reality for Dogecoin. Okay. So let me know down below your thoughts. Again, this is just my own opinion. Do your own research, but let me know what you're feeling about Dogecoin right now. So now let's go over to that crypto I was talking about, and it's called XYO. So this, I believe, is at an $82 million market cap. And right now I want to break it down very simple for you to understand. This is positive divergence. Okay. The asset moved lower. We made a higher low on the RSI. What happens after? Bullish. Okay. This is positive divergence. The asset moves lower. Okay. The RSI makes a higher low. What happens here? Positive divergence, bullish, but it's not done yet. It's above the 21 EMA, which is a great sign. I really think we're in this area right here, this white arrow. The RSI is lining up perfectly like it did before. Okay. We have not touched the yellow Keltner line at all, just like we did here. We didn't touch the yellow Keltner line. We pulled back, tested the 21 EMA, then we went on a massive rally, pulled back again. Okay, so I would be looking for the RSI to get over 70 as a place of it being overbought. And get this, guys, we also had a MACD cross. What happened down here? MACD cross, bullish. MACD cross again here, bullish. And get this, another MACD cross right here, bullish. We haven't had a MACD cross since February of 2024. Well, we just had a MACD cross. So this is why I believe that the floor is in for XYO, and I think this will give you a solid return. If we follow the trend line here, you could see that this could get up to 2 pennies. Oh, what happened? Hold on. I moved it. Okay. So this could get up to about 2 penny range. It's kind of what I'm looking for. But again, I'll be looking more at the stochastic, the RSI. And if I pull up the stochastic, you can see that we're touching right here. So when we touched last time, still we're up here and we still moved much higher. So you might be able to trade this in a little bit. There'll probably be a pullback again, testing the 21 EMA, and then a monster rally way up here. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Also, the 1.618 level is at 2.5, almost 2.5 cents. So again, I think this is definitely possible. It can go much higher too. I haven't really dug too deep into it, but this is just an opportunity where you can get about 300% return. I think this, if we're at 0.006, 0.003 would be a 500% return. So this is about 300 to 400% return from where we're at right now. And then if we get to 6 cents, of course, that'd be a 10x. This is kind of looking like Jasmy, except this is a smaller supply. And basically all their coins are in circulation, just like Jasmy. So I like it. It looks really good. This, again, is just what I'm looking at. Let me know down below your thoughts on XYO. When do you think this pump will start, this massive run right here? Because it's going to move fast, very low market cap, very high risk. Only invest what you're willing to lose. And we'll see you on the next one.